In this video, we're going to talk about the hugely popular app JustPlay. JustPlay, in short, is an app that you can download to your phone and, simply put, make money by playing games. This app has been downloaded over 10 million times, which is insane, so let's hop over to my computer right away and I'll show you why people are loving this app so much. Alright, so let's get started right away. Before I show you what the actual app itself will look like, let's just take a quick look at their homepage to see what they say. So as you can see here, it says redefining mobile play with JustPlay. They've got apparently 32,191,570 downloads. This is between iOS and Google Play, so between iPhone and Android. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more here, we can see that they have a total of 30 million downloads, that's what you just kind of said. It works in 24 different countries, but one thing that I thought was very strange is this. I live in Sweden, and I was not able to download the JustPlay app to my iPhone, but I could download it to my Android phone, which doesn't really make any sense to me because I would think that it either works on both devices in a specific country or none of them, but that's the thing. So if you have an iPhone and you live in Sweden, this probably isn't going to work, but if you have an Android phone and live in Sweden, it will work. So yeah. If you scroll down a little bit more here, we can skip this bit. Let's go down here. So this is one thing that's pretty cool. So they actually match the donations if you choose to make one. So what that means is that you can choose to either get paid through a PayPal gift card, for example, or Walmart, or perhaps a prepaid Visa card, if that's something they have as of right now. I couldn't check. Or you can choose to donate the money. So let's say you make maybe $5 while playing a game and you choose to donate it, then JustPlay will also donate $5 to match your donation, which I think is really cool. Now, if you scroll down, we can see some of the games that they have, but obviously the easiest way to check this out is to download the app itself if it's available in your country. And if we scroll down more, we can see here you can redeem your loyalty coins with top brands. But I do have one big issue with this app, and I'll get to that in just a couple of seconds. But basically, if you just take a quick look at the Google Play Store, what it looks like here. So JustPlay, earn money or donate. So yeah, 4.3 out of 5 stars, 1.02 million reviews. That is awesome. 10 plus million downloads. Cash out every 3 hours. Nice. Take a look at this yourself if you want. But for now, let me show you the screenshots that I took from the app itself. And we can see that this is what it's going to look like when you first open up the app. So you're going to get some loyalty coins as a bit of a bonus. But this is also where my biggest issue is. And it's possible that I'm just very stupid. I don't know. But here's the thing. I could not figure out how much the coins are actually worth in terms of dollars or any kind of currency that you're in, because it doesn't really say. It seems to be very unclear how much this is actually worth. And I'm going to show you some screenshots later on how this gets even more confusing to me. But here's what I want to say though. If one of you watching these videos, maybe even someone from JustPlay themselves, if you could explain how the loyalty coins work to me and how much it's actually worth, please drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to pin that comment so that it's going to be on top of the comment section so that people can kind of get a better understanding. Because as of right now, I'm finding it very difficult to recommend anyone to actually download JustPlay, seeing as, to me anyway, and again, I might just be dumb, but I could not figure out how to understand, like how to read this. Like, how much is this in dollars? Is this $1? Is it 1 cent? Is it $1,000? It's not $1,000 because this is what you got when you first sign up, but like it doesn't make any sense to me. But I'll show you the rest of the interface so that you can see what it looks like. So if you scroll down on the page that you just saw, right here, let's actually minimize that one. You're going to see this. So you only see 3 or 4 games at first. I would actually not recommend to go and play those games because with them, you literally just get redirected to the Play Store where you could download a game, but you have no instructions on how much, like what level you have to get to in order to get paid and things like that. So I thought that was kind of unclear as well. But if you go here and click on complete offers for loyalty coins, then you will be able to see what levels and stuff that you need to get to. So if you go there as well, I believe that is, so as you can see here, this one is now set to all. There's going to be a bunch of different games and also some other things that you can do to, for example, take random surveys and things like that. But as we can see here, we can earn a lot of points. So this one, for example, if we go to playing puzzles and chaos frozen castle, you can earn up to 333.6 million loyalty coins. Now the question is, how much is that worth? No one knows. That's a mystery. So we can see that other ones are, they also offer what sounds like a ton of points, and it could be worth a lot, but it also could be worth close to nothing. No one knows. So if you go here as well, this one, unfortunately, most of these are in Swedish. But what it says here is, again, like, yeah, share your opinion and get rewards. You can get up to 1.5 million coins, answer 5 easy questions, get 33,000 coins, things like that. That's kind of what it looks like. And then if we go to the actual cash out thing, we can see here that you just click on cash out, which was on the first picture, and then it's going to look like this. It says keep playing, your 10,000 loyalty coins will be converted to real dollars in 32 minutes and 18 seconds. Now here's the thing, you might be thinking, well, Jonas, why didn't you just wait 32 minutes before you made this video, and then you could see exactly how much 10,000 loyalty coins will be worth? Yes, But let's get to that now. So if we go here and open this one up, actually let's open this one up first because I forgot. Oh yeah, this one I actually did want to explain. So yeah, when you open up a game like this, let's say this was the puzzle, let's say in Chaos, it's going to show you what you need to do in order to actually get the different type of points. So if we see here, play now, so you just log into the game, you get 107,800. If you level up to Castle 5, 924,000. And if you level up to Castle 10, 2.1 million and get your exclusive weak card privilege. Now I'm guessing you have to pay for this one, so I'll probably skip that one. But yeah, it will show you what you actually need to do, which is good. Now let's go back to this one, because this is where things just get so confusing to me. So I'm not going to read all of this, but I'll read like the most important things. So it says here, the JustPlay loyalty program enables users to accumulate loyalty coins through gameplay, which can be subsequently exchanged for users' local currency. Okay, so far it makes sense. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. The selection method to determine the conversion of loyalty coins to the local currency for each user takes into account the following variables: digital advertising service auction bids for ad impressions, proprietary fraud scoring, achievements in games, and time spent in game. These variables collectively help establish the rewards that each user receives. I'm going to skip this bit, but let me show you how strange this gets right here. I'm just going to pull this one up as well. So here's what it says. For the users specified above, so this is basically people who registered between 2023, January 1st and March 31st, something like that. And then these are from people who live in the US. And here you can see, for the users specified above, a 2.7% likelihood of 1 million coins converting to over $17 was observed. So that means that if you were to play a game that pays you like 300 million coins, this would be a lot. It would be very well worth it. But if we keep reading here, we can also see, if we go to the next page, we can see for the users specified above, a 0.33% likelihood of 1 million coins converting to less than 0.1 USD. Now that is a huge difference. You could either make over $17 or you could make less than 0.1. Which makes absolutely no sense whatsoever to me, because let's say you do play that game, the Puzzles in Chaos, and you make 300 million. It could be worth either pretty much nothing, or it could be worth a ton. But how will you know? Like, I'm not going to play this game for potentially 50 hours or maybe 100 hours, and then I realize, oh, I got into this 0.33% here, or maybe this one 14.38, and then like, to me it just makes no sense. I mean, I can't recommend this, because there are other apps out there like Free Cash, for example, that is available in pretty much every single country, where it's actually clear how much money you will get paid. And this one, it's just like this to me was like a huge mathematical problem, and I did fail math, I'll admit that. But once again, if someone has played on JustPlay before and you know more than me, because again, it is possible that I'm just super dumb and it's super clear to everyone else looking at this right now, then please drop a comment and I will pin it, and I will thank you for doing that, because to me this makes absolutely no sense. But what we can see, if we just look at the numbers, it seems that the most likely number that you're going to get is this one. So for the users, so a 17.1% likelihood of 1 million coins converting to between $1 and $2. So it should be somewhere around there, which means that like $100 million 100 million coins would then be between $100 and $200, which would then be great. Like if you get 300 million coins, that's awesome. You make a couple $100. Again, my math is so bad, I'm not even going to try. But again, like, do you want to risk it? Like I would not risk it personally. It would be awesome if you got this and make 17, but is that likely? I'm guessing no. I'm not even going to guess. I don't understand. I really don't understand. But overall, like, I like the app itself, like the interface and stuff. It looked nice. It was easy to understand how many points you would get if you go back here, for example. Like, this was very clear. I just really wish that they would exchange, or like have it be way more clear how much you actually make, and just write it down, like maybe in dollars, and then write some kind of little, what's it called, like a clause where it says that if you live in a different country, like we're going to convert this into your country, and it's going to be like give or take a few cents from this, depending on the currency rate, something like that. So if it says that 10,000 or a million coins would be worth $1, then just say that it's worth roughly 10 Swedish or something like that, and then I would be happy. But as it is right now, I really can't recommend anyone to sign up for this, to be completely honest, because you will have no clue how much you'll earn. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that, because even, as I said, even if I would have waited to the cash out thing and I would have seen this right here, it's possible that the first 10,000 loyalty coins you get when you sign up could be worth the like $17, for example, per million, so that this would look a lot more. And then when you actually play the games, I'm guessing it's possible that it would convert into something like this, where you get 0.1, which again, I would not really recommend. So that is all I'm going to say in my JustPlay review. So in short, I would probably go to free cash, for example, instead, where it's available in a bunch of different countries. You actually see how much money you get per game and still what you have to do, rather than kind of gambling with this. But again, if someone from JustPlay is watching this, perhaps, or someone who just has some knowledge, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to pin your comment so that this makes more sense. And in that case, maybe I would recommend it. If it's like, okay, so basically here's how it works, everyone gets this or whatever, then in that case, yeah, maybe I'll recommend it. But as of right now, as of me not understanding this, go with free cash instead. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want more videos like this where I talk about various ways to make money, usually through websites like this or playing games, things like that, then make sure you subscribe, because I do upload a lot of videos like this. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.